Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, we got a pretty hot 65 Mustang fastback right here. The colors, the stripes, air conditioned, even the bottom of the car is blue. It's all custom suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, got a lot going on. Visit volocars.com, and that's where you can study over 100 pictures, read the description, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoy watching the videos. Click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next videos that comes out. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this Mustang fastback. Has about 700 miles on it since it's been finished. A guy down in Southern Illinois built the car for his wife. Fantastic car front to back. Starting with the underside, it's all solid metal. The frame rails, floors, everything's real good and strong and solid and clean. It was painted with a chip guard paint, so it's nice and durable, but it was color matched. It's all blue under there. It's got disc brakes at all four wheels. Has a new custom assembly, emergency brake assembly. Has Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it in a little bit. Sounds real good. It's a rebuilt C4 automatic trans. Up front is someone left the doors open. Up front is a Mustang 2 front end with rack and pinion steering, tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. In back, it has brand new leaf springs. The stickers are still on them, and gas shocks. Let's see, did I miss anything underneath? I think that sums it up. So custom suspension, brakes, the whole 9 yards. The body is really clean and straight. The panels are straight, the roof, the hood, the trunk, everything is straight, fits real nice. No signs of damage or rust blisters, nothing like that. The Guardsman blue paint is laid out real nice. It's got a metal flake, it's laid out evenly, and it has a very glossy clear coat. With that being said, this is one of those cars, if you look for flaws, you will find flaws. The edge of the white stripes, there's chips. The edges of the white stripes are peeling just up here on the hood, not anywhere else. Now these stripes start all the way down here. This is a custom air dam, and the stripes go all the way down below the rear bumper. That's got the Shelby style scooped hood, has the Shelby style scoops on the quarter panels, Shelby stripes. Billet Specialty 17-inch wheels with Firestone tires. The windshield's been replaced. Now in my ad description, I said the chrome has been replaced, has the bullet style mirrors, the door handles. It's all been replaced, but none of it's brand new. There's little tiny freckles on the chrome, probably not the best aftermarket chrome. I see a little nick that's touched up right here. So again, it's not a 10, but it's a great looking car. Anyone who walks up to it is going to say it looks like a 12. Same thing with the bumpers. There's a little mark, so none of it is perfect brand new, but it was all replaced. The rear window is crystal clear. It's got a custom deck here with some Explode speakers, big speakers. Inside the car is all redone and custom. The seats are extra comfy. They're all recushioned. They've redesigned the bolsters. It's got a nice feel. Custom upholstery front, back, and on the door panels. Door jambs are painted, weather strips, window fuzzies have been replaced. It's a custom grille. Now, because it has the custom suspension, the inner aprons are all replaced. Everything's painted blue. I have a receipt, $7,000 we just spent on this motor. It had a noise in the motor. So we tore it all down, even though the motor was fresh. There was some issue they found, and so we went through the motor again. Just rebuilt by a professional company. It's a 351 Windsor, 10-to-1 compression, aluminum Edelbrock heads, long tube headers. It's an Edelbrock carb. It's got a Ford electronic ignition, air conditioning system. aluminum radiator with electric fan. It's got billet pulleys and brackets, power steering, power brakes. All new carpet, embroidered floor mats. The metal is all painted like the car. New dash pad. Everything on the dash, the bezels and knobs, everything look real good and shiny. It has blue digital gauges. They light up real nice. Got a nice cushion grip steering wheel. The stereo looks like a factory AM/FM radio, but it's actually got modern guts. It is a stereo. Trunk compartment is all carpeted. Looks real good in here. It's all painted. The hinges, everything looks good. Getting back to the motor compartment real quick. It's also got a polished overflow bottle. The wiring looks new. Chrome plated brake booster. And again, it's not a 10 like the chrome alternator. Some of the chrome is flaking on the alternator. It is an aluminum radiator. It's not a polished radiator, but everything is very nice. Nice looking tall valve covers. Let's fire it up. Yeah, these seats feel real good. There's molded in kick panel speakers too. New dash pad. Up ahead, the visors, the mirrors, headliners, all new. The side panels in back, even the chrome vents, they look like they've been replaced. It's got 930 miles on this car since it's been done. Got seat belts, got this hump hugger console they call it, just sits on the hump. There's a nice cushion armrest, has cup holders. Sharp looking car, and it's got all the equipment that everybody wants, air conditioning, custom suspension and brakes. Great looking colors. It's a fastback. Checks a lot of boxes. You'll get the receipt for the motor that was just redone. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car, what I see here. If you have specific questions, want confirmation on anything, talk to the salesman. You can contact them at volocars.com, and they will help with the whole process, shipping, financing, the paperwork. That's what we do many times a week. So volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.